Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change auto mop wash frequency on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, you will need to go to Dock here in the app, go to Dock Settings, then find Mop Wash Frequency. Now you can set it by room, which means after cleaning each room, it will return to the station and wash the mop. Or you can set it by time, so every time of the interval you set, like 10, 15, 20, or 25 minutes, every that amount of time, it will return itself back to the station to wash the mops. And that is basically it. You can also change the mop washing mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.